Every time you walk near, just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels get together and decided to create a dreams come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair, a golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the boys in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Do birds suddenly appear